Right, so just having a look at question 2 again, guys. The map shows ground contours of 5 metre vertical intervals. The proposed roadway rises at a rate of 1 in 10. As shown on the map, this road widens to accommodate a car park. Point A is on the centre line of the proposed roadway and has an altitude of 45 metres. Using side slopes of 1 and 1 for cuttings, complete the earthworks necessary to accommodate the roadway. So it's 1 in 10 rising, and its cut slope is 1:1. So the road is rising at a rate of 1 in 10. We can use this ratio to locate B at 55 metres. So the surrounding hills must cut away to accommodate the road. Complete the cut as normal until you reach the parking area. So that's just as normal, guys. You put in your cut cone, and same the other side. Alright, section of the western side of the park must be cut. So the line XY is level, but the height of the edge is not known. We know the road rises at 45 metres from A to B at 55 metres. So what you're doing here is you're getting an elevation, so looking in this direction. If you're standing on the ground looking into this road, so you have your 5 metre intervals, there's the gradient line. So it goes from 45 metres up to 55 metres. The parkway starts along the gradient line at an unknown height. So if you extend XY up to meet this gradient line, that'll give you the height of the XY line. So the cut slope will be the same regardless of height. So 1:1. So apply the cut slope where the extension of XY crosses the gradient line. So you just draw a line at 45 degrees, because it's 1:1, so that's going to be 45 degrees. Draw a line of 45 degrees through that point, and where it crosses over these other contour lines, you bring them down. And again, the same intervals. The cutting to accommodate the last edge must also be found. So that extend the edge back to locate a point at a known altitude of 45 metres. So the cut can be outlined by using the cut cone. So because this is sloped as well, you're going to have to use a cut cone. So that's just extended on down to the same place as this. And it's just filled in like that. So it's not a bad question, guys. It looks a bit complicated, but it's fine. Just remember this line is at 45 degrees, so you extend XY up to meet the gradient line, draw a line through the 45 degrees, and then you can bring your point back down. Alright, so you can give that question a go.